And these bricks were out on a curb, and Bruce rang the doorbell and asked if we could have them, and they said yes. So these bricks are small ones, and they're going to get moved down to where the large ones are in the backyard. And this is where Bruce is taking out the big blocks and going to put the smaller blocks. Our hope is we have enough. And you never know. You need a shovel?
No, not really.
Okay. You want the big crowbar?
Yeah, that's in the little house, I think.
Okay. So these will go up to the front. Part 1 of our project is just about finished. The blocks are now off of the patio, and the wall has been built in the backyard. And here's the wall. Yeah, we were able to use these little bricks because the wall's not very high. But we still needed it for hard rains when you get a lot of water rushing over the bricks or rushing down the yard. So I think it looks wonderful. And it looks like we're probably going to put one more brick in there. And that should finish us up. The wall was finished. The mulch has been put down. Bruce put the mulch down. And yes, it is red mulch. But when we could get it for $1 a bag instead of $3.33 a bag, it really doesn't make a whole lot of difference. It's good enough for down here. And he raised these bricks up. And he ran out of mulch, so he couldn't mulch between here, but we will get that done. And there's other things that I would like done. So this project is more or less finished. Probably not completely because the mulch is in between the stones here, but when we get more mulch, we will do that.